Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker. Today we're at 924 South Fenbrook. Today we're going to have a video open house that's also available on jeffsells.com of this beautiful two-story house over a finished walkout basement. This home is a newer built home. It's on Bloomington's east side, and what's special is it has a very established backyard that's like a sanctuary. Let's take a look. The outer area has a deck, two screen patios, plus you have this beautiful sanctuary in back with one of the most established backyards on this side of town. This floor plan is perfect for entertaining. There's a circular pattern that also feeds into this beautiful kitchen with a 5-burner gas range, brand new appliances, beautiful stone cabinetry, plus it opens into the great room for entertaining. There's a beautiful vaulted master bedroom with walk-in storage, plus a spa master bath. The 4 upper-level bedrooms have the capacity for a potential 2 master suites. The great entertaining space continues to the lower level. It's finished and it's a walkout. There's a movie room, a beautiful wet bar that was just recently completed, plus there's a storage room and a full bath. Thank you for enjoying the video open house. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker. These videos are available on jeffsells.com. My phone is 812-360-5333. Enjoy your day.